Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of PE with Mr. Milnes. Okay, today's lesson, we're going to continue on this theme of fitness. We're going to look at a little bit of a different area of fitness today and hopefully get you moving, have a little bit of fun at home. And if you can get mums, dads, and carers, our brothers and sisters to join in, that's even better. The first week of fitness, we looked at a generic circuit, so just some different exercises to get you used to what we were going to be doing for these 4 or 5 weeks. Then last week, we looked at working different muscle groups. Whereas today we're going to look at a particular area of fitness called speed. Right, onto the warm-up. Everything is based on doing something 30 seconds really slowly, then going into 30 seconds really fast, a burst of speed. You're going to find some sensible space somewhere in your house, and you're going to walk on the spot for 30 seconds, so sort of a marching action. And I mean really slow to start with, and then go into a 30-second burst of speed walking on the spot. Next exercise for the warm-up. So these are mini exercises. Jump on the spot, 30 seconds, really slow. I don't mean slow, it should be easy. And then fast jumping as if you were skipping super fast, 30 seconds. Same for hopping, 30 seconds slow, 30 seconds fast. Then on to running, 30 seconds slow, 30 seconds fast. And the last one we're going to need later as well is the air cycle. You're going to lay flat on your back, lift your legs up and pretend you are pedaling a bike. Again, 30 seconds, really slow, really easy, and then 30 seconds fast. Right, what we are learning today then is to develop speed and understand what speed is. Now, there's a lot of writing on this page, but I promise you it's not that hard to understand. First of all, just remember, early years, year 1 and year 2 are in red, year 3 and year 4 are in yellow, and year 5 and year 6 are in that blue colour. And each exercise goes down like a column. Right, remember we're looking at developing speed today and understanding what speed is. The first exercise is running on the spot. It's on your feet and you're going to go through different changes in speed, in pace. 60 seconds marching, then quickly without stopping, 60 seconds jogging, and then quickly without stopping, 30 seconds sprinting. And these numbers at the bottom are the same for each exercise. Early years, year 1 and year 2, just have to do all of those once. Year 3, year 4, go back to the beginning and do them again. And year 5 and year 6, 3 times through. So it should be quite hard work, that. Year 5, year 6 as well. Start to think, why do you think the 30-second section of each exercise is tougher? What does our body need to generate energy, and can we get it in fast enough? Onto that air cycle. We're using it in the warm-up and we're using it again. On your back, legs up. 60 seconds, a really slow movement. 60 seconds, a really steady movement, so a steady pedal. Okay? And then 30 seconds, sprinting as fast as you can, pedaling the bike, trying to keep that technique. And remember, see how many times I want you to do that column. Young ones once, 3 4s twice, year 5s and 6s 3 times through. Now, you might feel a bit silly doing this, but have a bit of fun with it. Air swimming. So you're going to lie on your fronts and lift your feet off the ground and your arms up. And your feet are going to kick and your arms are going to do almost like front crawl, reaching forwards and pulling with your arms, okay? So you're swimming, but on land. You might feel a little bit silly doing it, but have a bit of fun with it. Same with the air cycling. 60 seconds slow, 60 seconds steady, and then 30 seconds as fast as you can. And then the last one, find a good sensible place inside somewhere and you're going to do air punches. Just punch in the air, one hand, other hand, one hand, other hand. Okay? And then it's 60 seconds slow punching, so it's so easy. 60 seconds slightly faster, and then 30 seconds as fast as possible. Then, after you've had a bit of a breather, and remember the older ones, I'm expecting you to do each column 3 times. See if you can answer these key questions, and if you can answer them and provide the answers on your class dojo or to your teachers, that'd be amazing. Younger ones, what do we mean by speeding up? Okay, what do we mean by speeding up? Year 3s and year 4s, look at these pictures. Okay, 2 dojos, if you can tell me who each of them are, maybe. But look at the sport, athletics, rugby and football. Why do you need speed in each of those activities? Give me an example why you need speed. And lastly, year 5s and year 6s, the last exercise which you only had to do, or the last part of the exercise which you only had to do for 30 seconds, why couldn't we do that for very long? What could we not get into our body fast enough? What do we breathe in to give us energy and we couldn't do it fast enough to do it for any longer really than 30 seconds, maybe 45? Have fun today. Don't worry about looking a little bit silly doing these exercises, but think today's learning is about speed.